Welcome to the Ingram Micro Cloud Marketplace, a single source for easy access to cloud solutions ranging from email and office applications to security, infrastructure, cloud management services, and even service desk. In this video, we will showcase Identity Synchronizer, also known as ID Sync, and highlight the integration capabilities between ConnectWise and the Ingram Micro Cloud Marketplace. To get started, simply log in using your IM Online credentials and select the ID Sync Billing Connector package, and proceed to the payment page to complete the transaction. As you can see, the Cloud Marketplace makes it easy to transact, provision, and manage your cloud business. With ID Sync's ConnectWise integration tool through the Cloud Marketplace, you now have the option to automate the data entry process, which will seamlessly remove the administrative burden of manual porting, saving you time and ultimately money. You're now ready to download the ID Sync Billing Studio, which can be found on the Reseller Control panel under the ID Sync tab along with the license key. Once you've set up ID Sync and completed the one-time task of linking your marketplace accounts to the ConnectWise agreements, you can launch the Billing Studio. Here's what the ID Sync Billing Studio looks like. From here, you'll be able to see all of your customers and their subscriptions for your reseller account. You'll also be able to see all of the resources and resource counts for that customer. In this example, you can see that this customer is currently using 2 of the 10 1 GB basic email mailbox resource, which you can validate by navigating back to the Cloud Marketplace and Customers Control panel. You can also do a lookup in the ID Sync Billing Studio by ConnectWise agreement to view the linked agreements for this account. When we change the agreement, it'll automatically change the resource that it's linked to in the bottom portion here. To validate this sync on your ConnectWise app, look up the company that you're referencing and click on Agreements. This will show you the linked agreements as you saw them in the Billing Studio. Now let's return to the Marketplace Customer Control panel and add a new mailbox to see this all in motion. Once your new mailbox order has been provisioned, return to the Billing Studio. You will now notice that the count under Resources will reflect that we provisioned an additional mailbox and that we're now using 3 out of the 10 units available. At any time, you can click the Force Update button to refresh the data in your ConnectWise application. Once completed, you can see that the Billing Studio has gone through all of the agreements for the customer and has found one update, the additional 1 GB mailbox that was just provisioned in this example. To see this in ConnectWise, select the Adjustment tabs under Agreements. Here you can see that an adjustment for one count was just made to this agreement. It's really that simple. With the power of the ID Sync Billing Connector, you can now have your data directly synced from the Ingram Micro Cloud Marketplace to your ConnectWise app, spreadsheet-free, real-time, and with confidence and ease.